Stop scrolling. Look at the stability. Look at the lighting reflections on that silver outfit. What you are watching is Seedance 2.0, and it has officially solved the biggest problem in generative video: consistency. The days of flickering, morphing nightmares are over. It's not just about realism, it's about character. Look at this horse, the lip syncing, the micro expressions, the fur texture. It creates fully rigged animated characters from a single image prompt. But can it handle action? This is the ultimate stress test. Fast-paced kung fu. Usually, AI models lose track of limbs here. They blend the characters together, but look at this. It keeps the orange gi distinct from the green one. The contact hits feel heavy. The dust physics are simulated perfectly. This is basically a live-action anime generated in real time. Now, let's go Hollywood. This Titan sequence is where Seedance 2.0 flexes its new frame-level precision. Notice the debris. Notice the smoke simulation. When the character jumps on the mech, the scale stays consistent. In older models like Sora or Runway Gen-4, the robot would shrink or warp. Here, it's solid. We are looking at visual effects that used to cost millions of dollars and take months to render. You can now generate this on your laptop during your lunch break. It's also a marketing beast. Look at this identity lock. Same model, different outfits, different backgrounds, zero loss of facial features. This is the holy grail for e-commerce brands. So, how does it work? This is the new Seedance 2.0 interface. They've introduced a multimodal input system. You aren't just typing text, you can upload up to 12 assets, images, audio, reference video, and the AI blends them into a cohesive shot. It promises superior consistency, and honestly, it delivers. The workflow is 3 steps: upload assets, describe the vision, generate, and the community is going wild. Creators worldwide are dumping their old tools because the reference anchoring here is just on another level. Now, I know this looks complex. That's why I've updated Mike's AI Forge School. The link is in the description. I've posted a brand new guide, How to Win with New AI Video Models. I break down exactly how to prompt for these action scenes and how to use the new reference feature. I'm also sharing the exact prompts used for that kung fu scene in the new AI automation section. Don't go in blind. Use my cheat sheets. Let's look at the tech in action. Case Study 1: Consistency. This Peking opera dancer is a nightmare for AI. Thousands of details on the headdress. Watch the movement. As she spins, the details hold. The physics of the sleeves are buttery smooth. It's not hallucinating new patterns, it's remembering the old ones. Case Study 2: Complex Motion. We have camera movement and character movement happening at the same time. Seedance separates these two layers. It knows the difference between the camera is panning and the character is kicking. That is why it looks cinematic and not like a fever dream. Case Study 3: Advanced VFX. You can take a flat, boring video and ask Seedance to apply a high impact transition. It analyzes the motion vectors and applies the effect automatically. It's like having an Adobe After Effects professional living inside the browser. You can also do natural extension. If your clip is too short, just drag the timeline. It invents the next 5 seconds perfectly. Or use it for practical video editing, changing the color grade of specific objects without masking. And finally, beat matched sync. This is my favorite feature. You upload your audio track, and the AI edits the cuts and the character's footsteps to land exactly on the beat. It's hypnotic. Seedance 2.0 has completely redefined the baseline. One-click video recreation, unified multi-input control, frame-level precision. Whether you are making music videos, commercials, or short films, this is the engine you need to be learning right now. The barrier to entry for Hollywood-level production has just been shattered. If you want to master this tool and turn these skills into a business, you need to join the AI Profit Forge. I'm dropping a full Seedance masterclass inside the school community this week. We are building AI video agencies that print cash. Remember, the first 100 people to join get lifetime VIP access. The link is in the description. Don't just watch the future happen, build it with us. I'm Mike, this is The Forge. I'll see you inside.